Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing a knitting pattern that produces a canvas with fantastic elasticity. This pattern is founded on a rib stitch involving 1 knit stitch and 2 purl stitches. We create the knit stitch by interlacing 2 yarn over loops effortlessly. I will cover everything in detail. I've noticed other knitting projects with a similar texture on YouTube, which I've also featured on my channel. However, I think this pattern is the simplest to work with, and the canvas ends up being quite elastic thanks to the yarn over loops. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 2 rows. We will begin with several stitches, which should be a multiple of 3, plus 2 edge stitches. To start, we will knit 4 rows. They are not part of the main pattern. After that, I will guide you through the 2 simple repeating rows. Let's begin with the 4 preliminary rows. The first row on the right side, purl 1 stitch, knit 1 and purl 1. This is a rib stitch with 1 knit and 2 purl stitches. Purl 1 stitch, knit 1 and purl 1. The second preliminary row is on the wrong side. Knit 1 loop, slip 1 with the yarn over and knit 1. Knit 1 loop, slip 1 with the yarn over and knit 1. On the third preliminary row, we start with 1 purl loop and 1 slipped with a yarn over loop. Purl the first, knit the second, and slip the yarn over loop. Finally, purl 1. Purl 1, knit 1 and slip the yarn over loop. Purl 1. On the last preliminary row, we knit on the wrong side. Knit 1 stitch, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. Knit 1, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. After we finish the preliminary rows, we return to the main knitting, which consists of 2 repeated rows. On the first row on the right side, we start with 1 purl loop, followed by the loop with the 2 yarn over loops. Get the first yarn over loop, pass the loop and the second yarn over through it, and drop it. Knit the loop, and slip the second yarn over loop, and purl 1. On the second row, knit 1 stitch, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. Knit 1 stitch, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. Let's repeat the 2 rows once more. On the first row, start with a purl stitch. Next a 1 stitch and 2 yarn over loops. The first and second. With the right hook, pick up the first and pass through it the loop, and the second yarn over. Then drop it. Knit the loop, and slip the second yarn over loop. Finally, purl 1. Purl 1, pick up the first and pass through it the loop, and the second yarn over. Knit the loop, and slip the second yarn over loop. Finally, purl 1. On the second row, knit 1 stitch, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. Knit 1 stitch, slip 2 with yarn over, and knit 1. I presented you with an intriguing elastic knit suitable for both clothing and accessories. I hope it serves you well in your upcoming projects, and I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations. Whether you're looking for something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you'll love. Thank you so much for being a part of the people who watched my channel. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon.